The mystical forest. Lily and Max enter the forest, filled with shimmering plants and creatures. It's so magical. Max barks happily. It's so magical. The mystical forest. Lily and Max enter the forest, filled with shimmering plants and creatures. The mystical forest. Lily and Max enter the forest, filled with shimmering plants and creatures. It's so magical. Max barks happily. Sparkle, hello there. Lily, wow, Max, look at this place. I'm Sparkle, the fairy of this forest. I need your help. The enchanted rainbow that lights up our home has lost its colors. Lily, we'd love to help. What do we need to do? Sparkle, take this map. It will guide you to find the hidden colors. Good luck. Lily and Max set off on their quest. They arrive at the entrance of a sparkling cave. Ruby, welcome, travelers. I'm Ruby, the dragon. Solve my riddle to earn the red crystal. Lily, we're ready. Ruby, I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Lily, a fire. Ruby, correct. Here is your red crystal. Lily and Max continue their journey. The Blue Lagoon. Ruby hands over the glowing red crystal. Lily and Max arrive at a serene blue lagoon where a dolphin greets them. Bluey. Hi, I'm Bluey. Want to race? If you win, I'll give you a blue gem. Lily, you're on. Lily and Max race Bluey and win. Bluey gives them a shimmering blue gem. Bluey, great job. Here's your gem. The Golden Meadow. They enter a field of golden flowers. Sunny. Hello, I'm Sunny the Owl. Share your happiest memory with me, and I'll give you something special. Lily, my happiest memory is a family picnic. We laughed and played all day. Sunny, that's beautiful. Here's a radiant yellow feather for you. The Violet Valley. Lily and Max reach a valley bathed in purple hues. Violet. I'm Violet the unicorn. I've lost my magical flower. Can you help me find it? Lily. Of course. After searching, they find the flower hidden under a bush. Violet. Thank you. Here's a sparkling violet jewel. The return. Lily and Max return to Sparkle with the colors. Sparkle, you did it. Now, let's restore the rainbow. Sparkle uses the colors to restore the enchanted rainbow, lighting up the forest.